Hey everybody, just wanted to share with you a quick video of the lift in action. So this is a lift I built last year, but really haven't had an opportunity to show kind of what it can do. So I hope you enjoy it.
You're all set. Yeah, would you? She's moving.
Yeah.
That was a good run.
Good, Aubrey.
I'm trying to get her to hold onto the rope and she'll drag herself right up. It's okay.
Careful.
You want to come with me? We're going to record it. Hop on up.
I'm good.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Set. Go! Oh, I see Shannon's going on her butt. Wow, she's doing really good too. All right, you're gonna have to hold the camera. Can you hold this? No? You just do like that? The camera. I almost ran it over.
So as you can see, we didn't have a whole lot of snow to play with, but the snow that we did have was super quick. Lift did a nice job. This is the second year with it, and finally the first year I've really been able to shoot a video to show you it in action. Good for about 1.5 adults. If I had another half horsepower, that would be nice, but when I built it, I've just worked with what I had kicking around and had that old well pump motor. If you haven't seen the video on the build, I do have that on my channel as well, so make sure you check that out. Yeah, did a nice job, and as you can see, we had a whole lot of fun with it. So as always, everyone, I really appreciate you watching. Appreciate the comments. Throw them down at the bottom if you have any questions or comments or general concerns. Yeah, have a great day, you know, go sled or something.